Hi guys, today I'll teach you how to make sample car drawings, just like making lines, trim, offset, and fillet, and so on and so forth. From here, to start a drawing, just when you already open the Autocad, just click start to start a new drawing. Click here, just start. As you see here, there are lines, vertical lines and horizontal lines. This is what we call as the grid lines in AutoCAD. If you want to remove this one, just click in your keyboard what you see at hit in the keyboard F7. Just tap the F7 to remove this one. F7. Did you see that the grid is already off in the command line? From here, understanding this one, here at the home, we see that there are many commands here. Here I'm using AutoCAD 2018 as a tutorial. If you here you see in home, from home we see the line, polyline, circle. We have different types on how to make a circle, center, radius, center, diameter, and so on and so forth. And there is also an arc, how to make arc. Also, there is a hatch, how to make a hatch. On gradient hearts. This is from home. You see different icons. Also text, and if you want to make an annotation in your drawing, dimension, and other commands here, move, also copy and stretch. Today I will teach you the basic on how to make lines, others, this one, 3 lines, offset, fillet, trim. Here, let's get it on. From here, I'll click the line or make a command line in your keyboard, type L. And then as what you see that the line is not straight. This means that the ortho is off. When you press the F8, the lines make straight. Just press it. Did you see it? I press F8 to turn on the ortho. And then if you want to put a length in your lines, just type in your keyboard, just for example 5,000, or 5 meters. and then enter. Did you see that the line is not, the command line is not terminated? If you want to terminate the line, just press the escape at your keyboard on the left side, top left, ESC in your keyboard, top left. If you want to cancel the command line, just click on it, escape. The command line is already terminated. And then if you want to continue the command line, just double enter the, press double the space bar, just like that, to reactivate the command line. And then press again, just type again the length of your line. Let's say, for example, 4,000, and then 5,000 to make it level here, or just press this line, these green lines. Did you see it? That's also 5,000. Then click here. You want to make a dimension to check it, to check on it. Then just like this one. This is the new style of AutoCAD. When you click on this one, it's already dimension already made, just like that. In the lower version, it can't works. Did you see it? The 5,000. I didn't, from here, I didn't put a value in the keyboard. Just type. This is the new AutoCAD, the higher version. Previously, I am using 2012 AutoCAD. That's why I'm not really familiar in this higher version of AutoCAD. Did you see this one? Yeah. So from here, we already closed the box here. And then I want to offset. I want to make a wall offset thickness 150 millimeter here. What I want to do is to just type O. Type O, and then hit enter, and then just specify the offset. I want to offset 150 millimeter, and then enter, spacebar. Then I'm going to offset this one, right side. And click this line and click the right. So click also this one, and click at the bottom also this one. Then when you close, or you want to close the line here, what we are going to do is to type F or Fillet. We have also a command here, an icon here in the Fillet. Let's click this one or just type F or Fillet. If click this one and click also this one, this other line, opposite lines, and also this one, click this line. That is how to make a fillet. From here we also make a fillet. Click this line, also this line. Okay. From here I want to trim. We have a trim icon here, or just type TR or trim this one. Just click this line and enter. Click this one with which line you want to trim. If you want here or here also. From this I want to trim this line. Here our line is not closed, so you want to fillet this one because our line before is here, this one. Then fillet, click this one. Okay, that's it. Well already made box here. Just the dimension. If you want to make to change the color of this one, just click all this one, then properties, any color you want. Here I want this cyan. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you guys.